girls, nice to see you today. Today we are going to have a video tutorial to explain you how to answer our Unit 15 test. Okay, so first of all, please have ready your sharpener, your red and pencil, your eraser and a ruler. And also please have ready your answer sheet. Okay, this is an example. Okay, this is not Unit 15 test. This is only an example. Okay, so tell me, what day is today? That's right, today is Monday, May 25, 2020. Okay, first of all we have to make our Indian promise. How? How? We promise to answer our Unit 15 test all together. Okay. How? Okay, so I'm going to have two screens, okay? In one screen I'm going to share you the test, and in the other screen I'm going to be watching you, okay? Very good. So, let's begin with this example. Okay, exercise A. Read really carefully the instructions, okay? Here it says, listen and circle the correct answer. For listening section, you are going to listen twice, okay? The first time, have your hands at the back and only listen, please, okay?
Unit 14 test. A. Listen and circle the correct answer. 1.
Look at
A headline tells you everything about an article.
2.
Huge and immense both mean very big.
3.
A hero is a very brave person.
Okay, looking at your
4.
answer sheet. 4.
When you discuss something, you just listen to one person talking.
Okay, now the second time you are going
Unit
to
14
answer.
test.
Okay, so have ready your red
A.
color.
Listen and circle the correct answer. 1.
1.
A headline tells you everything about an article.
Everything? No. 4.
2.
You circle F.
Huge and immense both mean very big.
That's right. True.
3.
A hero is a very brave person.
Yes, that's true.
4.
When you discuss something,
Yeah.
you just listen to one person talking.
Only one person? No, it's 4.
Unit 15
Okay.
test. F.
Now, let's go to exercise B. Look and complete the sentences, okay? This is vocabulary section. So think about the words we learned in this unit. What words did you study? Okay, so say, oh, I studied about an interview, okay? So, and the editor and some investigation. Okay, so think about these vocabulary words and also the context words and also the word study, okay? Okay, so here we are. Exercise B. Look and complete the sentences. So here we are. Number 1. I watched the TV with my favorite singers. So, number 1, you write the vocabulary word. Interview, una entrevista con mi artista favorito. Then we go to number 2, that is next to, okay? And it says, I often space the library for new and interesting books. Okay, so you go to the library and you search, that's right, busco un libro interesante, okay? Then, let's go to, this is an example for exercise B. Let's go to exercise C. Here we are, unscramble and match, okay? So the letters are in disorder, so please put them in the correct answer. Look at the clue letters. ¿Se acuerdan que vimos mucho eso, repasamos mucho qué letra nos puede dar una pista? Okay, so we have here an M, a K. Okay, so the word is mistakes. So here, in number 1, you write the word in the correct order, mistakes. Then you have to look for its meaning. A. Mistakes means errores. To choose between one thing and another thing, or no? B. To give something as a gift to help people or a company, dar un regalo, ofrecer algo, no. C. Very bad or awful, algo muy feo y horrible. D. These are not correct, algo que no es correcto. That's right. So with your ruler, you trace from number 1 to letter V, like this, okay? So that's the example for exercise C. Now, let's go to exercise D, okay? You have here your answer sheet for exercise D. Here you have 4 reactives, okay? And 4 lines to write the sentences in the correct order, okay? The instructions for exercise D are: write the words in the correct order to make sentences. Okay, so number 1 we have headline written, the editor hasn't they. Okay, so we are going to begin with capital letter. The subject, the editor, very good. Now we are talking about, we are a present perfect, that's right, hasn't. And the main verb in past participle, written, the headline. That's right. The headline. So, you have already written in the correct order the words for sentence number 1. Then, let's go to exercise E. Here we are. Complete the sentences. Write, have, pay attention what you have to write. Have, has, haven't, or hasn't. We only have to use these 4 words, okay? So let's read number 1. I read the article about the old house. Is it interesting? Al final está diciendo, ¿está interesante? Es que no lo he leído. So what's the answer? Haven't. That's right. I haven't. So in number 1 you write haven't and you cross it out. Lo tachan, ya utiliza esa palabra. Let's go to the next one. Number 2. Space, she told you about the party. See, we have she. So what word are we going to use with she? Ella te ha platicado acerca de la fiesta. So the answer is has. That's right. We begin with capital letter because we are beginning the question. Number 3. We space been to that restaurant. It's good. Nosotros hemos estado en ese restaurante. Es bueno. So we have we. So we are going to use have. That's right. Then let's go to number 4. The hero from the accident space written a book. He'll do it next year. El héroe del accidente no ha escrito un libro. Tal vez lo haga el próximo año. So, el héroe, the hero, that's right, hasn't. Okay, so you have ready, fill the answers for exercise C. Now let's go to exercise F. F, circle the correct main verb, then write the correct form of the verb have. Okay, have ready your record. Number 1, she. We are going to use has or have we she? Has, that's right. And in present perfect we use the past participle. What's the past participle of the verb eat? Ate or eaten? That's right, so you circle eaten. Let's go to number 2. They space. What are we going to use with they? Has or have? That's right, have. And we have to circle the main verb. The past participle of the verb see is seen. That's right, so you circle seen. Now, let's go here to number 3. Space, I space. Okay, so what are we going to use with I have. And the main verb to complete the present perfect, wrote or written? That's right, written. Okay, so when you have finished answering your test, please check it. Pay attention that you didn't miss anything. Okay, and then you are going to have 5 minutes when our online class is over. Okay, you have 5 minutes to send it to my email, okay? So you can take a picture with your cell phone or you can scan it, okay? And please send it to my email, misscocoy2020@gmail.com, okay? Very good, boys and girls. I hope this is useful for you for answering our test. See you later. Okay, bye-bye.